What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at Cardano, guys. There is an amazing trading opportunity for Cardano. I'm going to show you the bullish trade and the bearish trade. So you want to stay tuned in this episode. Cardano can be traded on Femex, guys. Femex has got this amazing bonus at the moment. If you use my link in the description, guys, you can get up to $2,000 in bonus, all depending on what you're going to deposit, guys. Femex has got multiple cryptocurrencies to trade with, guys, so make sure to check it out. And also today we are going to take a look at XLM, Stellar Lumens, guys. It is looking incredibly bullish, and I'm going to show you why Stellar Lumens can hit all-time highs, which is just under $1.05. Also, we are going to take a look at TRX, which is Tron, looking to make this bullish setup and break into the upside, in my opinion. So guys, make sure to get your cup of tea ready, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Before we start, I want to let you know that on Friday, 4 p.m. Central European time, we're going to do a live stream. So you can come over, show me your favorite cryptocurrency, and we'll pull out the charts. And we might be doing some live trading also, guys. So I'll be waiting for you on Friday, 4 o'clock Central European time. Let's take a look at ADA here on the 15-minute chart, because I want to show you something very, very bullish or bearish, guys. But there is a setup here forming. Okay, we can see this ascending megaphone pattern. Remember, I am in a long trade here on Bybit, and I'm not going to close until we arrive to $2 here on Cardano against the US dollar. What I can see here, there's ascending wedge, okay, and I can see that potentially this is a head and shoulder formation if we come here to this neckline, okay, this neckline right over here, all right, that we've been bouncing. We did wick down here, came back up, and you can clearly see that we have formed this trend line to the upside. And what I want to show you here is that this potentially is left shoulder, the head, and now the right shoulder, okay, a little bit tall, but this could still be a shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, right? So if we break this, guys, this neckline, very, very likely that we are going to come here and meet this resistance over here, which is, I'll show you here on the 4-hourly chart, okay, the $1.55, okay, as you can see here on the 4-hourly chart. So this should come lower, okay, because the measured move is getting the top here from the head to the neckline, and from the breakout, this should take us all the way down to the $1.40 approximately. But we might get a wick below, or we might get a bounce at the $1.55, which has been major resistance here in the past, okay. So this is the bearish setup that I'm looking for Cardano, guys. What is the bullish setup? Okay, let's go back to the 15-minute chart, and what I want to show you here is a potential inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, okay, inside this megaphone pattern, because we can see this consolidation phase right over here and this peak right over here, almost meeting the all-time high, which is at the $1.83, okay, and this arrived to $1.82 approximately. So if I take a trend line, okay, and get this high over here with this one and with this one, like this, okay, so there is clear resistance. We can see that this potentially is a left shoulder, all of this being ahead, and all depending on the price action in the next coming hours and days, guys, we might be doing this, okay? So once we arrive to this resistance point, and if we break out, guys, it is going to be an incredible trade opportunity. If we break the $1.8182 approximately, or 83 more or less, with a decent amount of volume, guys, this is great to place a trade, a long trade, guys. You can do this on Femex. If you haven't signed up for Femex, there's an amazing bonus up to $2,000, guys, depending on what you're depositing, and you'll be helping out the channel, okay? So what is the measured move from this? We all know this is getting the top here from the head all the way to the neckline, and from the breakout, if it's going to be tomorrow in 2 days, okay? Just let's say, for the sake of it, on the 13th of May, all right, so this would be tomorrow, And this should take the ADA price all the way to the $2, which is also the target that we've been talking about, guys, for many weeks, okay, from this huge ascending triangle, okay. So if this plays out, okay, we can get here this measured move from the breakout. This is going to take us at the same target, guys. So this might be playing out, this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder inside of this megaphone pattern. Yeah, guys, $2 ADA in the next coming days. This is if we break this neckline that I just showed you, okay? So great trading opportunity. We'll be checking this out, guys, in the next coming days. Looking very nice trade here. So this is what I got for ADA. Let's take a look at XLM, okay? I got the VPVR, which is the volume profile. And as you can see, we're 50% away from all-time highs here, which is at the $1.35 approximately here for XLM. And look at the volume profile. We've just got a huge peak here where the most volume has been traded, which has been this huge accumulation phase. All right, this is 2019 and early 2020, okay, when the market looked like it was dead, okay, but no, it's a huge accumulation phase. People buying here, okay, little by little. So then this happens, all right, when the hype starts. But this growth has been really solid and not too parabolic just yet, which is absolutely great. Very bullish. Okay, we haven't seen major parabolic moves for XLM. And we are doing these higher highs, but slowly going sideways also. So what can we expect for XLM, which is a very bullish crypto, and we haven't broken all-time highs just yet. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart, for example, and we can see that we are in this channel. Okay, I've connected this channel here. Let me just get the VPVR out of the way for the moment. And we are in this ascending channel, okay? We've got this resistance point right over here, and we've got this support level. We did have a wick to the downside, but I do not count the wicks. We have a consolidation phase right over there, creating the lower part here from the channel, which is the support, and the resistance here at the top. Now, what else can I see? It looks like that we do want to break from this resistance point, and I think we will do very soon. We have a huge round bottom right over here, and then we have this other sharp bottom. This is like an inverse Adam and Eve, okay? Usually it's first at the spike and then the nice round bottom, but it is still a double bottom scenario, okay? The double top scenario didn't play out, which would be this one right over here. It usually isn't at the same level, okay? It's usually a little bit higher or a little bit lower. In this case, it is a little bit higher, the second top. So the double top scenario didn't play out, because if not, we would have break down from here to the downside. So this hasn't played out. So now it looks like that the double bottom scenario is trying to play out here. When is this going to be valid? When we break this neckline right over here, this resistance point. So if we break, we've had an attempt already here. It's been a fake out. There has been some decent volume, so it is very likely, if we hang around this area, it is going to have an explosive move. What is the measured move from this breakout, guys? Well, it's getting the bottom here, which would be around the 34 cents, all the way up here to the neckline, and from the breakout, this is an approximate target, okay, would take us to the $1.05. And what is the $1.05? It is the all-time high here for XLM. So we can expect this parabolic move, guys, in the next coming weeks or potentially days, who knows. But this move is very likely to happen. What is the bearish scenario? Well, going back here to the 4-hourly chart would be coming all the way back down here to retest this support level at the 45 cents, which in my opinion is very unlikely. Okay, this is looking very bullish here, this setup, okay, like I've showed you. Well, this is going to be it for XLM. If you're interested in trading XLM, you can do it on Binance Futures. If you haven't signed up yet, guys, and use my link in the description, you get 10% off on fees. Let's take a look at this here, which is TRX, which is Tron. I got somebody in the comment section saying, can you check out Tron? Okay, and yeah, why not? Let's pull out the chart. I got many people talking about some different altcoins. Remember, I'm doing a live stream on Friday, 4 o'clock, Central European time. So make sure to come over and we'll be sharing and pulling out the charts from your favorite altcoin, guys. Let's take a look at TRX. And let's keep it simple, okay, guys? I haven't checked out some of these altcoins, but let's do some simple technical analysis. We can see some clear resistance right over here, okay, on TRX. And we can see that we are in a clear uptrend, okay? Since this point, we had a huge consolidation right over there. And we have two touches here, okay? So we can already connect the trend line. And we've had a bounce right over here. So what can we expect for TRX? Well, this breakout needs to happen before the 24th of May, which would be just right over here. Usually we do break out in between 70 or 80% of the pattern. So this is a kind of symmetrical triangle. It's not an ascending, almost an ascending triangle, but it's more like an asymmetrical triangle. What can we expect here? Well, what if we break to the upside? The measured move here for TRX would be getting the back here from this symmetrical triangle, from the resistance all the way down to the support. And from the breakout, guys, if it's going to happen in the next coming days, this could take the TRX price to the 25 cent, okay? It's currently at almost 14 cents. So we could go to 25 cents, all right, which is almost 100% more of its current price. And yeah, this is the bullish case scenario. The bearish case scenario, as you can see, this is the logarithmic chart. And yeah, this is what would happen if we broke to the downside, which I do not see. It is very, very likely because we are in a huge uptrend. Okay, we might see a fake out here, just like we saw from Cardano, that we had a small fake out and then hovered around, but just below the support level and then break into the upside. But yeah, this would be the measured move from this symmetrical triangle if we have a drop to the downside. Obviously, we would get supported here from this support level, okay, right over here, which is, if I zoom in, this huge consolidation phase right here. Okay, this was a few days. And also we got supported nicely here, creating this uptrend. So we might have a wick to the downside and then come back up, in my opinion. If we do break down, guys, from here, yes, I do think this would be the first target. So this is a decent trade. Okay, this is already, you know, if we come from here all the way down here, this is about a 30% drop, which would be absolutely natural. I don't think we would come all the way down here, which would be a 73% drop, which is the measured move, but we will get supported nicely. A lot of bullish people on TRX. This is what I got today for this analysis of these cryptos, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin. We've got Bybit reviews, Femix reviews. You can see all the exchanges here. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of the website so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial video popping up on your screen, a massive thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.